Again, we'll start with some of the part one questions. The first question is, do you like your neighborhood?
Of course, I like my neighborhood as my neighborhood is very beautiful. There are beautiful parks in my neighborhood. There is one library in my neighborhood. Beside that, my neighbors are very nice to us.
Okay, बढ़िया सीगा. Question is, do you like your neighborhood? Certainly, I like my neighborhood as it is very neat and clean. More importantly, in my neighborhood, my neighbors are so nice. Moreover, I would say that my neighborhood has some of the beautiful parks where I often go. Okay, okay. What you can see from the window of your house?
I can see many things from the window of my house. Whenever I feel exhausted, I sit there and look. I look to the birds flying in the sky, and there are apart from that, there is a good view of my neighborhood.
ओके चलो ठीक है. पोजेज नहीं लेने, थोड़ा और फ्लैट करके बोलो. चलो क्वेश्चन देखा, व्हाट यू कैन सी फ्रॉम द विंडो ऑफ योर हाउस. वेल आई कैन सी सम ऑफ माय नेबरहुड हाउसेज. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट आई कैन सी सम बर्ड्स फ्लाइंग इन द स्काई. मोर ओवर इन माय नेबरहुड देयर आर टू ब्यूटीफुल पार्क्स which can I see from the window of my house. Okay. Okay. How do you usually travel from one place to another?
Well, I have my own private transport, so I prefer my bike whenever I want to go from one place to another.
Okay. Let's talk about primary school. Did you like your primary school?
Of course, I like my primary school as I have learned many things. I used to do paintings with my friends and also play some sports in my leisure times.
Okay, played some sports. Okay, बढ़िया सीगा. Did you like your primary school? I must say yes. I liked my primary school very much. The foremost reason are the teachers, since the teacher was so nice there. Apart from that, in my primary school, the playground was quite big, where I used to play cricket with my friends. Even I made some friends there, so I liked my primary school very much. Okay, बढ़िया सीगा. Let's talk about the environment. How can we protect the environment?
Well, nowadays, as we know that pollution is increasing day by day, so to protect the environment, we must use eco-friendly things, such as we should stop using the plastics and stop burning the waste open, and we should plant trees more and more.
Okay, बढ़िया सीगा. How can we protect the environment? Well, multiple things can be done to protect the environment. First of all, more trees must be grown by the people. On the top of that, people should reduce the overuse of private vehicles. Apart from that, to protect the environment, government can make people aware about protecting the environment. Such kind of things can be done to protect the environment. Okay. Okay. The next question is, would you like to work in a company related to the environmental protection?
I must say yes, as I would love to work with a company that work on protecting the environment, because I just love growing trees and I love experiencing the nature beside.
Okay, चलो ठीक सीगा. क्वेश्चन सीगा, वुड यू लाइक टू वर्क इन ए कंपनी रिलेटेड टू एनवायरमेंट प्रोटेक्शन. तो आंसर से पॉजिटिव दे सकते हैं, पर दूसरी अगर नेगेटिव आंसर देना होवे, honestly speaking, I would say no. I would not like to be a part of any company related to the environment protection. As for last some years, I have dreamed to continue my further study in Canada, and after that, I would like to work there for a short time period in the same field. Even I would add it that to protect the environment, I grow one plant on my every birthday, but in the future I would not like to be a part of any company. Understand? Question then कैसे है? Okay. Next question is about parks. The first question is, are parks important to a city?
Certainly, parks are very important to the city, as they are most important part for our recreation. We feel happy whenever we see different kinds of flowers, birds, and more importantly, it refreshes our mind.
बढ़िया सीगा. बढ़िया से आंसर. Are parks important to a city? Absolutely, parks are quite important to a city, as nowadays cities are becoming crowded. Resultantly, due to which people are not having much space in their house where they can feel close to nature. So in the parks, they can sit, they can do some activities that can refresh their mind. Apart from that, nowadays especially in the cities, people do not know each other, so park can be the best place for the neighbors to sit with each other. That's right. Okay. The next question is, okay, do people like barbecues in your country?
Some more knowledge about barbecue.
ਓਕੇ, ਐਕਚੁਅਲੀ ਬਾਰਬੀਕਿਊ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਜਿੱਦਾਂ ਸ਼ਾਮ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਤੰਦੂਰੀ ਬਣਾਉਂਦੇ ਨੇ, ਜਾਣੀ ਕਿ ਜਿੱਦਾਂ ਤੰਦੂਰੀ ਚਿਕਨ ਹੋ ਗਿਆ, ਪਲੱਸ ਸੀਂਕ, ਲੋਹੇ ਦੀ ਸੀਂਕ ਵੀ ਲਾ ਕੇ ਕੁਝ ਵੀ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਐਜ਼ ਅ ਰੋਸਟ ਕਰਦੇ ਆ, ਜਿੱਦਾਂ ਪਨੀਰ ਟਿੱਕਾ ਹੋ ਗਿਆ, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ, ਇੱਦਾਂ ਸਮਥਿੰਗ. ਦ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਇਜ਼, ਡੂ ਪੀਪਲ ਲਾਈਕ ਬਾਰਬੀਕਿਊਜ਼ ਇਨ ਯੋਰ ਕੰਟਰੀ?
I must say yes, because I can see most of the people nowadays love fast food. Beside that, many people visit a restaurant. There is a restaurant near my house. They provide.
Okay, chalo, ठीक है. Question का, do people like barbecues in your country? I would say yes. Most of the people like barbecue in my country, as barbecues are quite delicious. Apart from that, people love going outside in the evening time. They like to have the barbecues. That's a question. Okay. Let's start with some of the other questions. Okay. Have you ever seen any wild animal?
Well, in reality, I have not seen any wild animal, but I love seeing movies related to wild animals.
Okay, चलो. ठीक है. क्वेश्चन ਸੀਗਾ, have you ever seen any wild animal? ਅਗਰ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਸਿੰਪਲੀ ਕਹਿਣਾ ਹੋਵੇ, ਅਗਰ ਸਿਟੀ 'ਚ ਰਹਿੰਦੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕਹਿ ਸਕਦੇ no, honestly speaking, I have never ever seen a wild animal, and but in the future I would like to see. And say ਜੇ ਅਗਰ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਪੋਜ਼ਿਟਿਵ ਆਨਸਰ ਦੇਣਾ ਹੋਵੇ, yes, once I visited you in Amritsar and I saw the tiger there. ऐसे इधर कुछ कह सकते हैं. Okay. The next question is about traveling by car. Do you like to travel by car?
Certainly, I prefer traveling by car because I feel comfortable whenever I travel with my parents. On the top of that, we can stop wherever we want.
Even it makes our journey more convenient. Okay. Okay. What do you think about computer?
Well, talking about computer, it has become an important part of our life, as we make use of it for our studies, even watching movies, playing online games. On the top of that, it connects people worldwide.
Okay, बढ़िया सीगा. Question का, what do you think about computer? Well, as far as I'm concerned, I believe that computers have become indispensable part of the human life. These are being used in every field. Computers are being used in the shops, banks, factories. Even all the works are being done efficiently with the help of computer. So I believe that nowadays these are being used in the every field. सही तो कुछ कह सकते हैं. Okay. The next question is, this is the last question. Why do some parents let their children to play puzzles?
Well, many of parents
Let
their children to play puzzles, as puzzles are the games that develop a child's growth of mind, and also help them to think creative.
Okay, बढ़िया सीगा. Question का, why do parents let their children to play puzzles? Well, the foremost reason may be the competition. This is because nowadays competition is increasing in every field. When their parents let them to play puzzles, then children have to go through many phases where they have to make use of brain, ਆਪਣੇ brain ਦਾ ਕਾਫੀ use ਕਰਨਾ ਪੈਂਦਾ, and that sharpen their mind. So this is the main reason that people let their children to play the puzzles. ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਗੇਮਾਂ ਵਿੱਚ ਕਾਫੀ ਸਾਰੇ ਜੇ ਆਪਾਂ ਐਜ਼ ਅ ਪਜ਼ਲ ਦੀ ਗੱਲ ਕਰੀਏ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਸਟੂਡੈਂਟਸ ਨੂੰ ਜਾਂ ਚਿਲਡਰਨ ਨੂੰ ਕਾਫੀ ਆਪਣੇ ਮੈਂਟਲ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਲੈਵਲ ਉਹਦਾ ਯੂਜ਼ ਕਰਨਾ ਪੈਂਦਾ. ਥੀਸ ਆਰ ਦ ਮੇਨ ਰੀਜ਼ਨਸ. ਓਕੇ what is the most popular outdoor activity in your country? What is the most popular outdoor activity in your country?
The most popular, there are many outdoor activities popular in our country. The most popular one is cricket, as we can see many of the people like to play cricket. However, on the other side, hockey is our national game, but people mostly prefer to play cricket.
Okay, ਚਲੋ ਵਧੀਆ ਸੀਗਾ. ਹੋਰ ਕੰਪਲੀਟ ਆਨਸਰ ਦੇ ਸਕਦੇ, ਵਧੀਆ ਸੀਗਾ. What is the most popular outdoor activity in your country? Well, there are many activities that people often perform in my country, but here I would like to talk about cricket, which is gaining ground in my country. Gaining ground मतलब कोई चीज़ popular होना. Not only the youngsters but also the old people and the children love to watch and participate in this game. Okay. Last question. Do you like science?
I must say yes, I like science because from my childhood I used to think about various experiments and perform various activities at my home. Beside that, I have done my graduation in the field of science, and I prefer further studies
in the same stream.
In the same field.
बढ़िया सीगा. Do you like science? Absolutely, yeah, certainly, definitely. कोई भी जैसे जैसे में replace करना है, जैसे जगह तुम certainly कह सकते हैं, definitely कह सकते हैं, absolutely कह सकते हैं, I must say yes कह सकते हैं, I would say yes कह सकते हैं. Do you like science? I would say yes. I like science very much. I love science as when I had started learning about science in my primary school. Then I was so mesmerized since all the concept of science, the benefits, when I first learned about the benefits of trees, how gases work in our environment, what is their quantity. I also learned about electric field, magnetic field, all the concepts, so that broaden the horizon of my mind. So I love to learn about science. So इधर क्या सकते. Okay, last question. Have you ever lost your way? Have you ever lost your way?
Honestly speaking, I have never lost it my way.
Okay, I will tense the ध्यान रखना चाहिए. Have you bought? No, I have not bought. Have you watched? No, I have not watched. Have you clicked? No, I have not clicked. मतलब तो क्वेश्चन का have you lost? No, I have never lost. I'm not lost. No, I have never lost my way either. I have never lost my way. तो आंसर पॉजिटिव दे सकते हैं. Have you ever lost your way? Yes, once I had lost my way. If I remember correctly, then in my secondary I visited my uncle home in Amritsar, and in the evening I went to the shop to buy something, but I got confused between the streets and I lost my way. Then I made a call to my uncle.